Okay, the court is back in session with our arraignment docket. Next case is cause number 332-120, case of style of state of Texas versus Nicholas Austin Tobin. He also has another case, cause number 332-122, case is also styled state of Texas versus Nicholas Austin Tobin. Nicholas Tobin was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's arraignment docket. At or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Nicholas Tobin at the courthouse door. Nicholas Tobin did not answer. A reason would, and also Nicholas Tobin has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 11:21 a.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Nicholas Tobin? Nicholas Tobin. Nicholas Tobin. No response. Nicholas Tobin's name was just called at the courthouse door again by the courthouse bailiff. And Nicholas Tobin did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Nicholas Tobin an opportunity to appear in court for his cases, and he has not appeared. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, state move from bond forward.
That will be granted. Nicholas Tobin's bond will be forfeited and warrant shall be issued for his arrest in cause numbers 332-120 and cause number 332-122. Next case is cause number 332-148. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Jordan Jacquet. Jordan Jacquet was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's arraignment docket. At or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Jordan Jacquet. Jordan Jacquet did not answer. Jordan Jacquet has not appeared in court since the court's been in session. The time now is 11:23 a.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Jordan Jacquet? Jordan Jacquet. Jordan Jacquet. No response. Jordan Jacquet name was just called at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. He did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Jacquet an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, state move from bond forward.
That motion will be granted. Jordan Jacquet's bond will be forfeited in cause number 332-148. Next case is cause number 332-400-1. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Heaven Koslowski or Heaven Cheyenne Koslowski. Ms. Koslowski was scheduled to be in court this morning for the court's arraignment docket at 9 a.m. At or about 9 a.m., Ms. Koslowski's name was called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Ms. Koslowski did not answer. Ms. Koslowski has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 11:24 a.m. on today's date of August 23rd, 2022. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Heaven Koslowski at the courthouse door? Heaven Koslowski. Heaven Koslowski. No response. Heaven Koslowski's name was just called again at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Heaven Koslowski did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Koslowski an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, state move from bond forward.
That motion will be granted. Heaven Koslowski's bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for arrest in cause number 332-400-1. Next case is cause number 332-400-2. Case to style the state of Texas versus Tess Elizabeth Thomas. Tess Elizabeth Thomas was scheduled to be in court this morning for the court's arraignment docket, which was scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of August 23rd of 2022. At or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Tess Thomas at the courthouse door, and Tess Thomas did not answer. Tess Thomas has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 11:25 a.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Tess Thomas?
Terrence Thomas. Terrence Thomas. No response.
Tess Thomas' name was just called at the courthouse door. Tess Thomas did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Thomas an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, they move for bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. Tess Thomas' bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for her arrest. Cause number 332-400-2. The next case is cause number 332-410. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Randy Deshaun Kelly. Randy Kelly was scheduled to be in court this morning for the arraignment docket, which was scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of August 23rd, 2022. At about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Randy Kelly at the courthouse door. Randy Kelly did not answer. Randy Kelly has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 11:27 a.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Randy Kelly?
Randy Kelly. Randy Kelly. No response.
Randy Kelly's name was just called at the courthouse door. Randy Kelly did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Kelly an opportunity to appear in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, they move for bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. Randy Kelly's bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest in cause number 332-410. And this will conclude the calling of the court's arraignment docket scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date, August 23rd, 2022. In County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. Everyone